Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys. Today I'm going to show you an amazing long-short indicator that uses trend lines.
And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description.
We'll start off with a Euro USD chart with a 15-minute time frame. Now let's go to our indicator section and type in auto trend line with alert. Here we go. And we're going to make a quick change here. Let's go to settings, inputs, and let's change the highest lowest length to 45. Okay, and for our second indicator we'll add the moving average exponential, so let's type in EMA. Then we'll just go to settings, inputs, and we'll change the length to 200. And then we'll go to style and change the color to yellow. And whenever the market is above the EMA line, then that signifies the uptrend where we can take our long positions. And whenever the market is below the EMA line, that means that we're in a downtrend and we can take up short positions at that time, okay? Now let's take a look at our chart. So we can see at this section right here, the market is definitely above the EMA line, and we've got a long signal here, okay? So this is a very good signal in this case, guys. If we take a look right here, we can see where the market breaks the EMA line and is going into a downtrend, and we see that we also have a short signal right here, okay? So this is a very good sell signal in this case. Here's another section of our chart where the market is above the EMA line, and you can see that we have a long signal right here, okay? Look at this, guys. This is a very good signal right here. And right here as well, you can see the market goes below the EMA line, and we've got a short signal here. So this is a good selling position, guys. This is a very accurate setup right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the USD JPY chart. Here we can see we have a section where the market goes below the EMA line, and we've got a short signal here, so a very good signal in this case. And here's another section where the market is above the EMA line, and we've got a long signal here, guys, okay? So this is a very good buy signal right here. So this is a very accurate long-short indicator strategy, okay? And hopefully you can get some profitable trades with it. So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.